When you're thinking about buying Primalytics, a social media management and analytics software, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. In this video, we'll break down the essential points to consider, especially if you're comparing it to other tools out there. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether this tool is the right fit for you. First off, Primalytics offers a comprehensive analytics dashboard, giving you a great overview of your social media performance across platforms. But keep in mind, it's not as intuitive as some of the more popular tools like Sprout Social or Hootsuite. If you're looking for something with a really clean interface that's easier to navigate, you might want to keep that in mind. Next thing to consider is how Primalytics handles multi-platform management. It supports major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, but unlike Buffer, it doesn't integrate with some of the smaller or more niche networks. So, if your business relies on platforms like Pinterest or TikTok, it could be a limitation. The third thing is automation. Primalytics does allow for some automation, but it's not as robust as what you get with tools like SocialBee or AgriPulse. For instance, you can schedule posts, but you don't get the same level of customization or smart posting features as with more premium tools. The fourth thing is analytics and reporting. Primalytics does deliver good data, but it's not as detailed or customizable as you'd get with a tool like Hootsuite or Sprinkler. If your business needs highly specific data points or advanced reporting features, you might find Primalytics a bit lacking in that department. Moving on to customer support. Primalytics offers support through email and chat, but unlike tools like Buffer, which has 24/7 support and more in-depth resources, Primalytics might leave you waiting a bit longer for answers. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to consider if you value quick responses. Next up is pricing. Compared to competitors like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, Primalytics is fairly affordable, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. However, if you're a larger organization or need advanced features like team collaboration tools, you might find the pricing structure a bit too basic for your needs. The seventh thing is user access and collaboration. Primalytics allows for multiple users, but the collaboration features aren't as seamless as with platforms like AgriPulse, which are specifically designed for team management. If you're managing a big team, you might need more streamlined tools for workflow management. The eighth thing is Primalytics Content Library. You can store and reuse posts, which is a solid feature, but the organization and searching capabilities are less powerful than in tools like CoSchedule, where you can tag and organize content more efficiently. The ninth thing is integration with third-party apps. While Primalytics integrates with Google Analytics, its list of third-party integrations isn't as extensive as that of a tool like SocialBee or Later, which connect to a wider array of apps like Canva or MailChimp. The 10th thing is its mobile app. Primalytics does have a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich or smooth as something like Buffer or Hootsuite's app. So, if you plan to manage social media on the go, you might experience some limitations with Primalytics. The 11th thing is data security. Primalytics uses standard encryption protocols, but it's worth noting that larger tools like Sprinkler often provide higher-end security features, especially for enterprises that handle sensitive data. If you handle customer data and need stronger security measures, it could be worth considering your options. The 12th thing to consider is scalability. Primalytics works well for small businesses, but if you're aiming for rapid growth or need enterprise-level solutions, you might hit some roadblocks as your business scales up. So, is Primalytics a good fit for you? It's a solid option if you're a smaller business looking for basic social media management and analytics. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or a better user experience, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.